Hey everyone, welcome back to Your Channel Name. Today we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of programming, identifying what problem to solve. If you're a Python enthusiast or just starting out, this video will help you pinpoint the right problem to tackle with your code. Let's get started. Before we jump into coding, it's important to understand why identifying the right problem is crucial. Imagine writing a whole program only to realize it doesn't actually solve a real issue. Frustrating, right? That's why we need a systematic approach to problem identification. It saves time, effort, and keeps you focused on creating meaningful solutions. Step 1 is to identify the problem space. This involves understanding the domain you're interested in. Let's break this down into 3 main areas. Let personal projects. What are you passionate about? Are there repetitive tasks in your daily life you could automate? Professional needs. Is there a specific issue at work that slows down productivity? Can your code improve existing workflows? Community and global issues? Look at broader problems in your community or globally. Can technology provide a solution? Once you've identified your area of interest, it's time to dig deeper. Research is key. Here's how you can do it. Surveys and interviews. Talk to potential users or stakeholders. Online research. Use forums, social media, and academic papers. Data analysis. Look at existing data to understand the problem better. Let's say you want to solve traffic congestion in your city. Start by gathering data from traffic reports, city planning documents, and user feedback. Now, with all your research in hand, it's time to define the problem clearly. A well-defined problem statement is crucial. It should be specific, clearly stating what the issue is. It should be measurable. Can you track progress and measure success? It should be achievable. Is it realistic to solve this problem with the resources you have? It should be relevant, aligning with your goals and interests. And finally, it should be time-bound. Set a time frame for solving this problem. For example, reduce average traffic congestion by 20% in downtown areas during peak hours within 1 year. Big problems can be overwhelming, so breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks is essential. Here's how you can do it. First, identify the smaller components of the main problem, which we call subproblems. Next, outline the tasks needed to tackle each subproblem. Finally, set milestones to track your progress. For our traffic congestion example, subproblems could include optimizing traffic light timings, enhancing public transportation routes, and promoting carpooling. Before you dive into coding, it's crucial to validate your problem. Here's how. Start by creating a simple prototype of your solution. Then, get feedback from potential users or stakeholders. Based on this feedback, refine your problem statement and approach. This step ensures that the problem you're solving is real and that your solution is viable. Finally, it's time to start coding. With a well-defined, validated problem, you can focus your efforts on creating an effective solution. Remember to keep iterating based on user feedback and data. Here's a quick tip. Use libraries like Pandas for data analysis, Flask for web applications, and TensorFlow for machine learning to accelerate your development process. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to identifying the right problem to solve with Python. Remember, a well-defined problem is half the solution. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coders, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.